This short video will review unpacking and installing the 73TR Tork hand towel multifold and C-fold dispenser. In order to install your dispenser, you'll need to have on hand the following: a level, pencil, 6 fasteners, 6 washers, 6 anchors, and a drill. Each Tork 73TR dispenser comes individually packed with a key taped to the back of the unit. First, determine the position of the unit on the wall. Be sure to follow the ADA guidelines. Use a level to ensure it's installed correctly, which will help aid in proper dispensing. Through the holes at the back of the unit, use your pencil to mark the spots where you'll be drilling. Drill the holes and insert the anchors. The installation should be done with a flat washer positioned between the head of the fastener and the inside back of the dispenser. Attach the dispenser using the mounting hardware and complete the installation. To refill your dispenser, insert the key and push down to open the cover. Insert a stack of Tork Multifold or C-fold towels. If using Tork C-fold towels, be sure the folded side of the towel faces down. Close your cover and the dispenser is now ready for use.